Alright sa inyo, nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong video tinatawag na In Area 51 in Roblox. And let's get that started. Okay. So ngayon, marami sa inyo ay palaging iniisip ang Area 51. Ano ba kaya ang Area 51? Area 51 ang pinaka-military base ng mga US soldier. Marami daw theory na may alien daw. Okay? For me, I believe, but is that real? I guess, pero for me, it's real. Okay? Pero wala pa tayo sa scientific na evidence na meron talagang alien sa Area 51. But we're gonna play it in Roblox. Roblox. Okay, let's go. Let's get jump, okay? Let's go jump. Anyway, so, okay, let's get jump, I guess, okay? So, meron tayong ditong ice na barrel, okay? Pag binaril ka, titigas ka, okay? Parang yung utak mo matitigas na sa kakulitan mo. Yes, okay. So, anyways, let's just yeah. Okay, so meron ditong shotgun, okay? Anong password kaya nito, guys? Anong password nito? Okay. Ayo. Chill. Chucky, chill. Chill ka lang, okay? Chill ka lang. Napaka-aggressive mo ngayon na. Chill ka lang. Okay. So, what? You. What the heck? Yo, dalawa sila. Ayo. Bro. Dalawa sila, guys. Oh my goodness. Ayo, bro. No freaking way. Oh my goodness. We're safe, I guess. Okay. So ngayon, let's get in here. Si Jeff the Killer! Oh my goodness. I miss that. Si Jeff the Killer, guys. Oh my goodness. Ayo, may alien. Ayo. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways. Okay. I think we're safe. Okay. Ikaw na naman, ha? Ikaw, ano pangalan mo, guys? Anong pangalan, Nabubulol na ako. Oh my goodness. Yo, chill. Chill lang kayo. Chill. Okay. Sige. Sorry guys kung anong oras itong pinapanood. Gabi ba, umaga ba, hapon. Pero guys, sobrang ingay. Ang ingay ng audio ko. Baka kasi tulog kayo. Magising mama nyo or tita nyo, diba? Okay, so anyway. So let's get started in here. Ano yun, guys? Ano ulit pangalan, guys? Sino yun? Si Jeff? Jeff the Killer? Hindi, yung isa. Yung may pangalan na yung face na may mask. Ano yung pangalan, guys? Si Jeff. Ano yun? Hindi. Partial na eh. Di ko alam kung sino yun, pero ano na siya, guys? Ano na siya, guys? Killer din siya. Okay, so anyways. Asa na kayo? Mga killers? Yo, what the heck is that? Yo, what is that? Yo, ang laki. Yo. Oh, chill. Chill lang kayo. Chill. Okay. Reload. Nice one. Oh, si Chucky, guys, oh. Si Chucky. Fight me. Nice one. Okay. So, we're safe. We're safe, I guess. We're safe. Okay, so, let's get in here. Sa taas. Okay. Oops, sorry. Dito tayo muna, guys. Ano meron dito? Okay, parang caution. Okay, sige. Buksan natin yun, guys. What is this? What is this, guys? Hey, yo! Si Oni. Hey, Oni. Hey, you. Oni. Chill out, Oni. Sige, last kill that. Last kill. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, yo! Hey, chill. Let's go, let's go. Close. What the heck is this? Sino ka? Who are you? Hey, yo, chill. Chill lang kayo, guys. Chill lang kayo. Okay, dito tayo. Chill lang kayo, guys. Chill lang kayo. Okay. So, what? Dito sa taas. Dito. Ayun. Pwede pala doon. Sorry. Sige. I'm safe. Hey, yo! Chill. Ano ba, Oni? Oni-chan? Hi! Nanigaski, naiinis ako sa'yo, Oni! Naiinis ako sa'yo, Oni! Naiinis talaga ako sa'yo. Doon ka. Shoo. Get out. Hardcore. Yo. I want that. Hey! Chill ka lang, Los. Okay? Huwag ka medyo aggressive. Ay! Yo, yung puso ko, guys. Oh my goodness. Yung puso ko, guys, nakakagulat yun, guys. Sobrang nakakagulat yun. Oh my goodness, hindi ko alam kung bakit nangyari yun. Meron palang killer na dun. Oh my goodness, hindi kasi tinitingnan. Okay, sige. Anyways, okay. Sorry kung maingay to, guys, ha. Itong video na to, sobrang ingay, okay? As in, maingay talaga. Ano, papalaga? No. O, patay! O, tanggal ulo, ano? Sige. Okay. Oh my goodness! They are so very... Okay, ayan. Okay, chill lang kayo. Chill. Okay? So, ano kaya meron? Ay! Oni! Ano ba, Oni? Kanina ka pang... Ano ka pa dyan, ha? Oni, chill. Up. Sige. Okay, nice one. Yan. Anyway, so let's get in here. Okay. Bukan nyo sa likod ng katawan mo. Nakasabi doon ng mga impormasyon mo. Ay! Nadiskaski. Arigato gozaimasu. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Another one. Let's go. Okay. Chill lang kayo. Okay? Medyo maingay ang ating video, pero okay lang, guys. Let's get fun, okay? Mag-enjoy lang tayo sa video na to, okay? Okay. Let's be quiet and let's get quiet, okay? Huwag tayo maingay kasi kung pinapulod ito ng gabi or hapon o umaga, sorry guys, sobrang ingay ko, alam ko yun, okay? Okay, let's go. What the heck? Ano yun? Yo, what the? Yo, chill out. Chill lang kayo. Who is that? Oh no. Chill lang kayo. Oh no. Welcome to Glue Town. Welcome to Glue Town. Ang sakit. Aray. Okay. Namatay tayo, guys, okay? Oh my goodness talaga. Sino ka? Welcome player. I'm Red New Boost. I'm your guide to complete the storyline. You must defeat Metros 500. Okay. So you mean 500 talaga. Okay. I think okay. Kahit kakayanin natin to, okay? Kahit sobrang hirap. Okay? Let's get all the killers pala. Papalag ka. Yan. Yan, sige. Yan, sige. Kala mo, ha? Ano? Who are you? Who are you? Oh my goodness. Help, please help. Bangkay, help. Bangkay, please help. Ay! Okay, nagulat na naman po tayo doon. Oh my goodness. Ayoko na magulat. Kasi ayoko na magulat. Oh my goodness. Nakakagulat. Sobrang kakagulat. Hindi ko alam kung bakit maingay ang video na to. Sige, ano? Oh, patay. Patay, di ba? Di ba? See? Okay. Sino yan? Tara, ano? Ngunit dyan! Oh my goodness. Okay, so meron tayong 16 kills sa mga killers. Okay. Boss drop? Okay, wala naman siguro yan. Okay, so anyways, I think, let's get 5 more minutes, okay? Wait lang. Let's get 3 seconds the video. Wait lang. Give me some seconds, guys. Wait lang. The video will end. Woo! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my goodness! Let's go! Okay. Open that. Let's go. Woo, let's go. Woo. Let's go here. Let's go. Here, guys, here. Ayaw nyo, diwag. Ayaw nyo pala eh. Diwag. Oh, sige. Madindin doon. So, I think the video is end. So, yun lang po sa video na to. And sana may enjoy nyo. Yun lang po sa In Area 51. And thank you and goodbye. See ya. Bye-bye.